So as you learn, arrays in Java are static, which means they have a fixed size and this size cannot be changed. But now we're going to do something really cool. I've created this array class, which is like a dynamic array. As we add new items to it, it will automatically grow. And as we remove items, it will automatically shrink. Let me show you how that works. So we create a new array object. We call it numbers and then initialize it like this. Here we pass the initial size, let's say 3. Now this numbers object has a method for adding new items. Let's add 10 and then 20 and then 30. We also have a method for printing this array. Now technically this print method shouldn't be here because an array should not be concerned about printing its content on the console. It shouldn't know anything about console. It should only be concerned about storing these values. Displaying these values is a completely different concern and should not be implemented as part of this class. But in this course, we want to keep things simple. That's why I've implemented the print method inside the array class. Now let's run this program and see what we get. So 10, 20, 30, beautiful. So the initial size of our array is 3, but we can easily add a new item and our array is going to automatically grow. No problem. We also have a method for removing items. That is remove at, which gets an index. Let's say we want to remove the last item. What is the index of this item? Well, the index of the first item is 0, then 1, 2, 3. So let's remove the last item. Here's the result. Beautiful. We also have one method for finding the index of an item. Let me show you. So I'm going to do a print statement here and call numbers.indexOf. This will return the index of the first occurrence of this item. Let's say 10. So because 10 is the first item in this array, this method is going to return 0. Take a look. 0. If we pass a number that doesn't exist in the array, let's say 100, it's going to return -1. Okay? Now, here's your exercise. I want you to build an array class that works exactly like what you saw in this video. This is a fantastic exercise for you to get your hands dirty in the code, especially for working with data structures and algorithms. Don't say, oh, Mosh, this is too easy. I already know how to do this. Trust me, as we talk about more complex data structures, our code is going to get more complex. So I want you to treat this as a warm-up exercise. So pause the video and spend 20 minutes on this exercise. When you're done, come back see my solution.